Students, now symmetry. Symmetry is the one of the main feature present in animals. Okay, symmetry is the showing of the symmetry, passing of the symmetry is the one of the character by the animals. Okay, it also gives information about the organization of the animals. Importance of symmetry. Symmetry that means what is the meaning of symmetry? It is a balanced arrangement of the body parts around a central point or axis. Animals that shows the principal axis or the central point. If you observe different body parts present in the inner part of the body, okay, around a central point or the axis, balanced arrangement of the body parts, balanced arrangement either sides, left side and right side, okay, balanced arrangement of the body parts on either sides from the central point of the body or central axis of the body. Okay, student. Next, a body plane of metazoans show different kinds of symmetry. If you observe metazoans means multicellular animals. Multicellular animals from the lower to high developed organisms, animals, shows different types of the symmetry, different kinds of the symmetry. All the metazoans does not shows the same type of the symmetry. Okay, this type of the symmetry is available in the metazoans in different forms, different kinds. These students, asymmetry, that means no symmetry. Symmetry is absent in these animals. Animals does not shows the any type of the symmetry, that is called asymmetry. Okay. Next, animals cannot be cut into two equal parts in any plane, passes through center of the body. Okay, if you observe, animals cannot be cut into two equal parts. Animals cannot be cut into two equal parts. One of the plane means flat and lined. That is the flat end line, that is the plane passes through the central point of the body or the principal axis of the body. Animal cannot be cut into two equal parts. Impossible to divide of the animal into two equal parts. Okay, that is the plane passes through the center part of the body, center point of the body. Animal cannot be cut into two equal parts, left side and the right side. These are not equal. Okay. Next, these are the animals called symmetrical animals. Symmetry is absent in these animals. Student, if you observe sponge, it is the body of the sponge. These are the pores. Okay, these are all pores. By the help of the pores, outer surrounding water enters into the spongiocele of the body. Okay, this is the sponge available in this shape. Another one of the sponge does not show the same type of the body plan, same size and the same shape. Another one of the sponge is available in different shape. Definite shape and size is absent in the sponges. Belongs from the poriferans. Sponges are the animals lives in marine water and the fresh water, which shows the cellular level organization. Okay, in these animals, cells are loosely arranged. Cells are not developed into the tissues. Body wall shows two layers. One is the pinacoderm and the one is the choanoderm. Pinacoderm is with pinacocytes, porocytes. Okay, these are the pores with porocytes helps to receiving the water from the outer surroundings. Okay student, these are the sponges available, not available in definite shape. Okay, and any plane that passes through the center part of the body, for example it is the center part. Okay, any plane that passes through the center part of the body, animal cannot be divided into two equal parts. Okay, this type of the symmetry is available in sponges. Another animals called asymmetric animals. Okay, example, sponges, adult gastropods. Already you know sponges and adult gastropods. Gastropods are belongs from the phylum Mollusca. Okay, phylum Mollusca, if you observe phylum Mollusca, one of the class is there, that is Gastropoda. Gastropoda consist animals called gastropods. For example, snail, apple snail. Okay students, this larva stage of the apple snail shows the bilateral symmetry, one of the symmetry. But adult one, when it is growth into adults, it loses its symmetry. Okay, and shows the asymmetry. Symmetry is losses, but it is available in larva stage of that animal in the life history. Okay, adult gastropods does not shows the symmetry. These are the examples. Sponges, adult gastropods are the example for animals showing asymmetry. Next student, animals not yet definite right or left sides, and organisms do not develop sensory and locomotory functions. Okay students, these are the organisms. If you observe sponges are attaches to the base. Okay, movement is not available from the sponges. Locomotion is absent in the sponges. These are attaches to the one of the base, any one of the base, entire lifetime. Locomotion is absent, movement is absent in the sponges, attaches to the base. Okay, next, sensory functions also absent, do not develop. Sensory functions, sensory cells, nerve cells are absent in the sponges, and sensory functions is also absent in animals, which shows the asymmetry. Next, symmetry students. Symmetry, animals can be cut into two equal parts in one or more plane passing through principal axis of the body. The type of the animals are called symmetric animals. Which are the animals called symmetric animals? Symmetric animals shows the symmetry. In these animals, one of the plane that passing through the central part of the body, central point of the body. Okay, that is the plane passing through the principal axis of the body. Animals can be divided into two equal parts, two equal right and the left parts. These are the animals are called symmetric animals. Paired body parts arranges on either sides of plane passing through principal axis, and unpaired body parts. Any one of the body part is available in single, only one, not a paired. That unpaired body parts are locates on a plane passing through the principal axis. When the plane is passing through the principal axis, at the passing region of the passing of the plane, there is a location or availability of the unpaired organs, unpaired body parts. Okay, this is about the symmetry.